Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a visitor counter on Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, you can either start a new site, select a pre-made site provided by Google, or a recent site that you've already published. I'm gonna choose this one for example. Now, let's go to an open space, and then on the right corner, click on Embed, and click on Embed Code. And then, we're gonna go to a new tab, and go to elfsite.com. If you already have an account, log in, but if you don't have one, you can easily use your Google account to make a new account for you. Now, from this screen, we're going to click on Widgets, and then click on See All Widgets. After that, on the search bar, let's type in Visitor Counter. And it's right here. Click on that, and then click on Create Widget for free. After that, we have to select a template for us to start with. Let's say I'm going to use this, and then click on Continue with this template. And then we can either choose if it's going to count unique visitors or each page view and the number of commas that we want to put in. Then, once you've cleared all of that, click on Add to Site for free. After you optimize your widget, click on Publish, and you should see this right here. Once you see this, go to the right corner of your untitled visitor counter for more actions. On the drop-down menu, click on Embed Code. From here, we are going to copy this code, and then we're going to go back to our site on Google Sites, and then paste it right here and click on Next. Wait for a few seconds, and then click on Insert. And just like that, you now have a visitor counter on your site. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!